What's up guys, Philip here from Garage 88. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a clear clutch cover and slave cylinder as well as the master cylinder rebuild on the 1290 Super Duke. Also there's some nice goodies I got from NICECNC. Yeah, this is not a sponsored video. Yeah, so let's cracking. Alright guys, just checking here on my phone just to make sure. I'm going to remove this cover, replace it with the new clear clutch cover. I'll show you guys in a second. Just to make sure the bolts here get torqued 10 Newton meters torque, and then the retainer bolts for the springs on the inside, that's 12 Newton meters. Alright guys, so cover is installed. While the camera was off, I also installed the new CNC aluminum cap for the rear brake fluid container, and then also on the front, I did it on the front, and now it's time to do the clutch, master cylinder and the slave. So what I'm trying to do here is bleed the slave before installing it and connecting the hose. It just makes it so much easier when doing the full bleed on the clutch system.